happy greetings friends. I am Ashish Bhave from Ashish Bhave's Academy of Wealth Private Limited. Please visit our website www.abaow.com. Today I would like to discuss you one, you can say, a very important aspect in your life. In many my workshops, in many trainings which I conduct, I ask one question and I am asking the same question to you today. Tell me how much you are committed to your life, how much you are committed to your goal, and how much you are committed to success in your life on the scale of 0% to 100%. Now give me the answer. So maybe I don't know what your answer is, but normally the answer which I got is something around, which I get is normally say 50%, 60%, 70%, 90%, 99%, 99.99%. But there are very few people who come with answer that we are committed 100% to our goal. We are committed 100% to our success. We are committed 100% towards our life. One thing I would like to tell you, my friends. In this world, there are only two things which are in existence. One, there is no existence of that particular thing. So it is not available. Yeah, still it has an existence because it is not available. And second, yes, it is available and that is also 100%. Let me give you an example. There is a big pit in front of you and you have to cross it with jump. Now tell me how much that jump should be percentage wise from 0% to 100%. Can it be 50%? What would be the result? Can it be 70%? Can it be 80%? Can it be 99.9%? Then how much it should be? Now from this example, you could understand that anything which is less than 100%, whether even if it is with 0.01%, that is also nothing. So either it is 0% or 100%. Anything less than 100% is 0% only. So either you stay committed to your goal, you stay committed to your life, you stay committed to your commitment, you stay committed to your self-development, or do nothing. It is not of use, it is actually useless. You are unnecessarily wasting your time, you are unnecessarily wasting your mind power, you are unnecessarily wasting your brain power, you are unnecessarily wasting your efforts. But unfortunately, mind is like that, mind works like that. Yes, you are doing something, but something is nothing. You have to always do 100%, then and then only it will happen. So from now onwards, anything which comes in your mind, if you want to do it, either do it 100% or do nothing about it. And you have an option. It is not important or it is not necessary that everything and each thing which comes in your mind you should pursue for. No, it is not required. You have a choice to do nothing on that thing. Let it be handled by someone else. And the most important thing, the most important priority for you in your life, you should go 100% for that. So from today onwards, it is always 100% for you. So either it is 0% or it is 100%. So stay committed and stay tuned with yourself and take you on the road of riches. Ashish Bhave's Academy of Wealth wish you a rich and happy life. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, subscribe our updates, and every time you will get intimation once we upload new video. And if anything which comes in your mind, please put it into comment. So it will help us to work out on the new videos. As well as we will take that content in our new videos, as well as it will give us a chance to improve. So wish you rich and happy life. Thank you for watching this video.